up guys, it's Nicole and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make basic outfits look good or look better than they do. Some of these are going to be simple, some of these are going to just be like using accessories and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys what I do to sort of make a basic outfit look better. And yeah, starting off with the first outfit, I just have on, I'm going to like put this down so you guys can see, but I just have on this simple kind of dress thing. It's like a little winter dress. Yeah, it's a little bit short now. It used to be longer. Obviously I used to be shorter, but you know. So yeah, I have this, and I think that long boots go with these kind of dresses. You can wear normal boots with these or long boots. I prefer long boots. But yeah, so something like this, a baggy dress, a t-shirt dress, or just even like a normal dress, I would definitely pair it with long boots. I actually have a pair of long boots, but before I had these, my tip was to actually wear long socks. As you can see, they are long black socks, and they basically look like I'm wearing boots, but I'm not. I would definitely recommend wearing a long pair of black socks like this, just to make your outfit look like you're wearing long boots if you don't have long boots. This is something that I used to use all the time, and it does the job really well. So if you have boots like this, something a little shorter, I've got these, and then I've also got these. If you guys have boots like this or like this, then you can pair it with these socks and it'll look like you're wearing long boots. So yeah, that's just one tip that I would like to share with you guys, because I used to do it all the time when I didn't have long boots, and it just made the outfit look nicer, you know what I mean? So yeah, definitely try that out. Another tip is to wear things off the shoulder. Obviously if you're wearing off the shoulder, you would want to not wear a bra. It just looks better like that, but wearing things off shoulder just makes it look a little bit more nicer and fancier, and it just adds to the whole look as well. So this is with off shoulder, and then this is without, and it just looks better, right? Like off the shoulder looks a lot more nicer, dressier. So yeah, and this is literally just a basic baggy dress. So honestly, this already looks cute as it is. You can pair it with a belt if you would like to. I actually don't have any belts, so that's another tip. If you guys have belts, definitely use belts. They dress up outfits really well, and they cinch your waist in as well and just make it look nicer. So yeah, if you guys have a belt, use that. Okay, so the next outfit that I have is literally just a pair of leggings, black leggings, and this singlet top kind of thing, which is one of my favorite singlets. This kind of ribbed material singlet, as you guys can tell, and I'm just gonna go and put this on. Okay, so as you guys can see, I put the outfit on, and it is literally really basic. It is just this singlet and tights. So this is what it looks like for now. And what I am going to do is, first of all, you can 100% dress this up with just a shawl or a jacket, kind of cardigan like this. This already kind of dresses the look up as it is, just like that, and I think it looks super cute already. And then for shoes, I have these slides here, and these are from Ruby Shoes or Typo, Cotton On, and they're just furry and they look like the Rihanna Fenty. So I would pair this outfit with these. Cardigan thing is from Boohoo. I've also got this big jacket here. This is like a puffer jacket, and this one is from Pretty Little Thing. I recently got it. It's super nice, but you can also pair something casual like this with something like this to make it look a little bit more dressier as well, and just to like amp the look up a little bit so that it looks like this. And again, this is like super cute. You can also pair this with boots, even like a pair of nude heels. I feel like these could go really well with it as well, just because it would match the rest of the outfit. So this is what it looks like with just the jacket. you can pair this with these heels and match the colors like that. Also, if you have a pair of sunglasses, sunglasses make basic outfits look better for sure, and they just make you look bougie, right? Like, I'm wearing a plain as simple outfit and I just threw on this jacket and sunglasses, and then I can wear a pair of heels or slides or anything really. So I honestly think if you have sunglasses or a nice jacket or nice shoes that match, then match them and it'll make the outfit look a little more bougie and extra. So yeah, so the next outfit is again this basic all grey kind of sporty looking set, and ignore my bra straps, but the way that I would dress this up is again to throw something over. So I've got this shirt here. This is from Glassons. I've got this ages ago, but I would dress it up with something maybe like this and just throw it over the top like that. I think that makes it look a little bit more dressier as it is. You can also add a white one on top. I've got a white one actually, so let's see how that looks. This one is from Tempt, and this one actually looks a little bit more nicer. I think it goes a little bit better with the outfit, and as you can see I have the sleeves rolled up as well, and I prefer the sleeves rolled up just because it adds again a little more extraness to the look, and it makes the shirt look nicer and better than it just being plain down. So yeah, but this is super cute as well. I also have a beanie here that I would pair this with as well, just because it's grey and I like everything to kind of match. For me, I prefer things to match. It could make the outfit come together as well. So as you can see, the beanie adds to the look itself and just create some more style. If you guys are into beanies, you can add this to your look to add more of your personality to it. I love beanies, so I would definitely do this, even like just with a normal hat. If it's too hot outside, then go with a hat. And I have a pair of grey Nikes here, or Nikes as well. Pair this with these two, so it looks like that, and it's so cute. I mean, why not, right? Like, it just looks so cute. Again, add sunglasses if you would like to. They add to the look, of course, right? So cute. Off the shoulder a little. Love it. Living, yes. Okay, so right now I have a basic white t-shirt. As you guys can see, literally just a normal white t-shirt. This one is a little bit more fitted, but I like my clothes fitted. So if you guys prefer fitted or baggy, that's definitely your choice. But yeah, basic white tee. And so what I like to do is I like to take it and literally tie a knot in it. And this is because it just makes it look, again, a lot better, more stylish. It makes you look like your waist is cinched in, and it just makes the outfit look a little more summery as well. If you guys prefer it down, wear it down, but I feel like that is just really basic. Like, it doesn't make the outfit look better or nicer. It's just kind of plain and straight down, and it doesn't accentuate your body. If you guys like a cinched in waist like I do, then this is definitely something that creates that look, and it looks a lot better and more eye-pleasing than just the normal straight down t-shirt. And again, I'm matching it with white pants. These are a little big for me, but another tip, like I said, is to match colors, because I feel like if you match colors, it just brings the outfit together and makes it a whole. You know what I mean? It just completes each other and complements each other so well, and it's just the whole outfit right there. You know, when you match colors, it just becomes a whole outfit in itself. So that's why I love to match colors. So I've also got another beanie here. It is winter in Australia, just letting you guys know. So beanies are completely fine here at the moment, and I know that in some places it gets super cold as well. But there we go. That's also again adding to the look. It's matching the white with the rest of the whites. What? I don't know, but it matches and I like it. I would also pair these with my Air Force Ones. Of course, they're all white and we're trying to match, you know, so I would pair these with this outfit. And yeah, cute, right? It's cute. I like it. Another thing that I want to say is, because this is just plain white outfit, I would definitely also, if you guys want to up the look a little bit more and make it more bougie, use watches. I also don't wear watches, so I don't have any, but if you guys have watches, wear watches. They also add to the look completely. And also belts, again, because belts just add more depth to the look too, and more color, and just completes it, you know what I mean? I don't have belts, but I have this chain thing, and it's one of these chain things that, like, you know, back in the 90s that people used to wear, and like it clips onto here and then you clip it on to like here or the back or something. So something like that. It also adds some kind of stylish sense as well, as you guys can see, and it's definitely 90s vibe. But yeah, this is just like an accessory, you know. You definitely should accessorize because it just completes it. But like, imagine if you had a belt, right? Like, say this was a belt, add more to here, and then also keep your pants up if it doesn't fit like mine. Logic, but I don't have any, so you know. Okay, so the next one that I have here is basically this plain grey top. It's a winter kind of top, and again, like I said, off the shoulder you can do, and it makes it look a little bit more better and fancy too, and a little more like going out style kind of. So rolling up the sleeves, honestly, if you guys are a fan of rolled up sleeves, you've got this side compared to this side. This side's more like, again, basic winter look, and this side is kind of a little bit more dressy. Again, I'm gonna keep it down for now just because I actually like how it looks down. But as you guys can tell, this top is really long. It is a top, it's not a dress. It's really long though. So what I would do is, I have some high-waisted pants, sort of high-waisted, and they've got some detail here like you can see there. And if you guys have high-waisted pants and like long tops like this, something that you don't really need to be looking at the whole thing, then definitely use high-waisted pants. I think they always add to a look, and you can wear belts with them as well, and they just cover up like boring tops like this. So as you guys can tell, it's already made this boring top look a little better because it's covered a lot of it. And yeah, it just, you know, brings it all in. Again, cinches your waist so the baggy top doesn't look as baggy and bad. And yeah, if you guys have a boring top, wear high-waisted pants, cover it up, make it look a little bit better. Yeah, wear some nice dressy pants, because these are going out pants. They're not like jeans or pants you just wear at home kind of thing. So yeah, you can totally just wear this. You can wear this with sneakers, you can wear this with these boots, right? Like, that's a little kind of nice going out look for winter, I guess. Again, you can add sunglasses to the look and make it more dressier like this. And also handbags. I feel like a black or grey handbag would go with this. Like I said, I like things matching, but I have one of my handbags here. I'm just going to show you guys. Right? Adding a handbag is another accessory as well to use to make your outfits look a little more bougie and classier. Okay, so the last piece of clothing, or the last outfit that I have here, is this top. This is from Misguided, from the Carly Bybel collection, and it is, as you can see, a basic kind of like bluish grey top, and it's a crop top. And the way that I would dress this up, first of all, is wear a nice pair of jeans or pants. I do not have high-waisted pants, but I recommend wearing high-waisted pants with these, or jeans, because I feel like it would just look a lot better and nicer. But I don't have high-waisted jeans. I prefer low-rise jeans. But yeah, a nice pair of jeans with a crop top always works, especially for summer. Then I would also add a nice kind of jacket or just anything that you can throw over the top. This is again from Boohoo, and it is really thin, so it's good for winter, so it's good for summer, dressing up the outfit a little bit. Also add, if you have a denim jacket that matches your jeans, then definitely wear a denim jacket, because denim jackets are bomb.com. As you can see, again, dresses up the outfit nicely and makes it look more bougie. If you've got a basic crop top and something that has a little bit more of a low neck, then you can use something like a statement necklace and wear that, and again, it looks nice and it draws to the necklace, you know what I mean, rather than the basic looking top. If you guys have bandanas, I recommend using them too, because they're also another form of accessory. You can wear it this way and it kind of gives you more of a street vibe if you are into that vibe. I am a little bit, so you know, it adds to my personality. If I do wear a bandana, you guys can wear cuter bandanas, you can wear different colored bandanas for sure, and also like things like ribbons or head jewelry and stuff like that also add to an outfit, so definitely do that if you would like to. But 100% be sure to add your own personality into your outfits, your own style, and yeah, I think that just makes it look better. Honestly, it suits you more when it is your personality and your style. And don't be afraid to experiment and try different things with your outfits. But I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below and the notification bell if you guys want to know when I post again. And also follow me on my social media, it's down below in the description box, and I will see you guys in my next video.